Namaskar and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. We are watching Central Academy News Studio.
Hello everyone and welcome to our special Independence Day coverage where we bring you the highlights and memorable moments from the 80th Independence Day celebration held at Central Academy School, Adityapuram, Gwalior on 15 August.
The celebration was filled with patriotism, enthusiasm, and pride as the entire Central Academy family came together to honor the spirit of our nation.
From the impressive march past and flag hosting ceremony to inspiring addresses, soulful musical presentation, and spectacular dance performances, every moment reflected the spirit of pride, patriotism, and performance.
I am Anushka from class 9th.
And I am Navya Parmar from class 9th.
And together we take you through the highlights of this memorable celebration.
So stay connected with Central Academy News Studio as we revisit the proud moments of the 80th Independence Day celebration.
The celebration commenced with the arrival of our esteemed dignitaries whose gracious presence added honor and significance to the occasion.
The school fraternity extended a warm and respectful welcome to distinguished guests as the campus came alive with patriotic enthusiasm. The celebration then began with an impressive march past.
Our students displayed discipline, coordination, and confidence as they marched proudly, reflecting the values of unity and dedication.
The synchronized march past set the perfect patriotic tone for the celebrations.
The tricolor, a symbol of our freedom, unity, and national pride, took center stage during the flag hosting ceremony.
The ceremony was followed by the national anthem, creating a deeply patriotic and proud atmosphere across the school campus. The auspicious lamp lighting ceremony marked the beginning of the cultural celebration.
The school then formally welcomed the esteemed chief guest, retired IAS and Municipal Commissioner Shri Vinod Sharma-ji.
The presence of the chief guest added a special touch of honor and inspiration to the Independence Day celebration. The chief guest then addressed the gathering with words of wisdom and inspiration.
The inspiring message encouraged the students to become responsible, confident, and proud citizens of the nation. The cultural presentation began with the adorable little performers of LKG.
The colorful and energetic dance performance brought smiles to everyone and added a delightful charm to the celebration.
The next presentation beautifully highlighted the importance of fitness, discipline, and balance.
Students presented an impressive mass yoga drill showcasing flexibility, coordination, and concentration. The little stars of UKG then won hearts with their charming dance presentation.
Their performance on Kandho Se Milte Hain Kandhe beautifully portrayed the spirit of unity, togetherness, and teamwork. The celebration also gave a platform to the young leaders of Central Academy.
The head boy shared his thoughts on Independence Day, reflecting the aspirations and responsibilities of the young generation. The young performers from classes 1st and 2nd then presented vibrant patriotic performance.
Their presentation on Suno Gaur Se Duniya Walo filled the atmosphere with energy and national pride. The spirit of patriotism reached another level with the patriotic group singing competition.
Students from all four houses showcased their music, talent, and patriotic spirit.
The spirit of patriotism reached another level with the patriotic group singing competition.
Students from all four houses showcased their musical talent and patriotic spirit.
The competition began with Shivaji House followed by Tagore House.
The patriotic melodies continued with Aryabhat House, followed by the final presentation by Ramanujan House.
Four houses, four powerful performances, and one common emotion love for our nation.
Following the musical presentations, the head girl shared her thoughts on the significance of Independence Day.
Her message reflected the dreams, aspirations, and responsibilities of the young generation towards the nation. The celebration continued with an energetic performance by the students of classes 5th and 6th.
Their vibrant presentation on कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले brought the spirit of patriotism alive on the stage. The students of class 7th then took the stage with a spectacular dance presentation on O Desh Mere.
Their energetic performance added another memorable chapter to the cultural celebration. The celebration then commenced with an inspiring address by our esteemed director, ma'am.
Her encouraging words and valuable guidance inspired the students to strive for excellence and contribute positively to the nation. The cultural program concluded on a powerful patriotic note with the students of class 8.
Their spectacular presentation on Vande Mataram beautifully represented love, respect, and devotion towards our motherland.
It was a truly powerful and memorable performance.
The celebration concluded with the voice of thanks and result declaration of patriotic group singing competition by our respected principal, ma'am.
The event celebrated not only India's freedom but also the creativity, confidence, discipline, and talent of the students of Central Academy School.
The 80th Independence Day celebration at Central Academy School was a beautiful blend of patriotism, talent, discipline, and togetherness.
Every performance and every presentation carried one powerful message. Our nation is our pride and its future lies in the hands of its young generation.
With this, we conclude our special coverage of the 80th Independence Day celebration on 15 August at Central Academy School, Adityapuram, Gwalior.
We hope you enjoyed revisiting these proud and memorable moments with us. Stay tuned with us for more such interesting updates and important news.
And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and stay connected with Central Academy News Studio. Thank you for watching, and we will be back with more news and updates. Until then, stay tuned.
Have a wonderful day ahead.